friends. Well, I just wanted to make a quick video showing how you can use Dooney and Bourke's small coin case as your main wallet. It was really easy to use as my main wallet, and I think it's something we don't often think about doing because it is marketed as just a coin case. But this little baby holds a lot. It holds as much as my regular wallet does, actually a little bit more in some cases. So I'm just going to show you how I used it this week. So we've got two in Florentine here. So this is the natural color Florentine, and this is one I've had for a long time, many years. It's very, this one is very thick Florentine. And this is one that I just got from the wonderful Says What. She bought this for me along with a bag as a little treat, and it was just so sweet of her. But this one is also Florentine, and it's a little bit thinner of a Florentine, and this one actually expands a little bit more than this one because it is not as stiff. So I started using this one as my main wallet for the last couple weeks, and I've loved it. And then they also have the option of pebbled leather. And this one is basically the exact same thing. It's just got a brass nameplate, and the other one has the Dooney duck in the leather, but it's the same design. So anyhow, let me show you how I used it, and hopefully it'll give you some ideas of how to get more use out of this. I'm just getting ready to change back into another wallet, so I thought I would share this with you guys. So it has a nice pocket on the back and a zip pocket in the front, and then a main compartment. It's also got a key ring on it, so that makes it really handy. But these are great. They've made these for years, and I just absolutely love them. So in the back here, what I do is I keep about 3 cards, and I keep my ATM card or debit card, my health insurance card, and my driver's license. And I like to keep these in the back so that they're really easily accessible. You can just pull them out. You don't have to unzip anything. In the front zip pocket here, I keep cash. And I have quite a bit just kind of rolled up here, but I like to keep that in the front pocket here so it's separate from the other cards and it doesn't get in the way, because I very rarely use cash, so I just like to have some with me just in case. And then in the center here, I can't really show you too much because I don't want to show you all my stuff, but here's the key ring. And if you pop that out especially, leave that hanging out, you've got even more room. I've got about probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards in here, and you can see how much more fits. I've also got some change in there, so I'm using it for the purpose intended, but as you can see, you could probably put about 10 cards in here and still get it zipped up no problem. So it's really a handy little piece. These go on sale quite frequently. I don't know how much the Florentine ones are now, but I just looked up this one, and this is, I think, $68. The Florentines are usually a little bit more because it's a nicer leather. But yeah, I mean, if you want to try it with a little bit less expensive version, get the pebbled leather, because I've really enjoyed that too. Oh, this one's got a spot on it. And I have used the heck out of this. Obviously, it's got pen marks and everything. I don't usually get pen on anything, but anyhow, this has been used a lot through the years, and they still look great. They're indestructible. Nothing can wear these out, really. So I have used them a great deal, but mainly I was using them for coins or just a few cards inside. But when I realized I could fit everything that goes in a, larger wallet in here, really made a great difference, because these babies fit in all my crossbodies. So anyhow, just an idea for you to use this as your main wallet, and it's very easy to do, and these are great to have. I highly recommend them. Well, I hope you liked this short video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.